Here we go again. Oh! I wish I understood why candles do this. Like, I don't understand why it's not evenly burning. I feel like I have to then tip it to melt it and try to get it to go even. If you know how to make candles burn evenly, please let me know. Am I doing it wrong? But yeah, I technically really do like this one. One of my friends gave it to me, sugar maple. It's sweet. I like it. My toe! That's what you get for not taking heavier stuff off of a shelving unit that already has so many movies on it. I don't even know how heavy that piece is. How heavy is this thing? I don't want these to fall all over the place. I'm so loud. That's got to be at least 5 pounds.
Put it on the scale.
Yeah, it's probably 5 pounds. Because this is a 5-pound weight. It's a bookend thing. The thing is a demon. There's 2 of them. But they technically do what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to hold things together. Nice big shelving unit. And then there's more. There's more. There's more. Yay! I might be getting to build something, and you're gonna help me. I love you, thank you. But I got some magic mail from Katie's Thingamabobs. I actually sent her a couple of my wigs that had needed some extra loving. Feel like I should just come down here. This is what I get for working out and not working out in over a month.
Shameless Best Buy plug.
She's beautiful. I'm not beautiful right now, though. And there's even netting on the braid itself. I'm so excited about it. And she looks so nice. She looks nicely voluminous. Ariel! It looks like Ariel! How you doing, kid? Wow, what a swim. I have been wanting a DIY pull-up bar for what feels like almost a year. Longer than a year. But anyways, we got some wood and screws, and the boyfriend is making a bar for me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I love you.
Where do you want the next one?
Okay.
Because I know you want 3.
So
right? I know you want one down here so you can do like off your chest.
Yes. It's definitely a lot of decision making on the
placement.
Yes.
Oh, just wait.
What do you mean?
This is the easy side.
That's what I was wondering.
That side's going to be difficult because I have to level it out to make sure it's perfectly level, so you're not doing
right
this. So
I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you.
And you're welcome.
And you don't want me to try to level it out. I already stand like this.
Yeah, leveling these out was kind of difficult with a soft ground. And she just kept wanting to move and all over the place as I was packing the dirt in. Huh?
Is that a leveler thing?
This is a square.
A square? I don't know my tools, guys. I don't know anything.
This is a level.
That is a level.
See?
So you need a level.
Right? And then you make sure the bubble's in the middle. Bubble got bound metal.
And obviously get at least 2 poles.
On both sides. Not just one side, both sides.
Gotcha. Because with the way that he's doing it, he's using 5/16 of an inch by 3 inch screws. Mm-hmm. And he cut out pieces of the wood. What type of wood is this? Not 2x4.
I think it's fine. Oh, the size? I think
size.
it's like 2x6.
2x6. 2x6. But these are 4x4s.
Correct.
Yay!
Even though you pointed at the trash can.
Oh, and we got the rod over here. And it's very, very wide. Do you have the tool for that to cut it?
To cut it? Yeah, it's jigsaw.
Oh, okay, a jigsaw.
Jigsaw that has a metal cutting blade on it.
I think that might have been heard. But it should be a 1 inch rod? Isn't it a 1 inch that we got? Because I had even Googled like average sizes for building a DIY pull-up bar, and I think it was suggesting 1 inch to 1.5 inches of a diameter for a pole. Well, see, that's another tool that you're using. That's an additional tool. What tool is that?
This?
Yes.
Socket wrench.
Socket wrench. You might need a socket wrench if you do it this style of making a pull-up bar.
Yeah, I just wanted
Easy.
meaty hardware.
Oh, gotcha.
So,
Or at least easier-esque. Instead of drilling holes into it, because that's what I was assuming that's how you make them. But apparently there are so many different versions.
Size holes, yes.
Yeah. For the pole to go through.
Yeah. And I was having trouble like getting it to cinch down onto it, but because I created such a friction fit between the hole that I drilled for the bolt and the wood stayed, or the bolt stayed in place. So I screwed it all the way through. I know this sounds confusing, but I screwed the bolt all the way through, and then I just screwed with the wood to get it to tighten up to the 4x4, which works pretty well.
Here's what I decided to make for him. Mac and cheese. I need to stir that quickly before it sticks.
You can't just jump up and grab that?
No.
You wearing my shoes?
I am. It's like my socks that I refound. I haven't worn these in forever. They say kiss me. Natasha Ocean. Unless if she says it Ocean. Tell me that's secured?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a cold bar. That's a cold bar.
Jump. Jump.
Is it?
Jump hard.
It could be a thumbnail. Like I can why can I hit it with my right hand but on my left?
Why are you jumping so shallow?
Too shallow.
You're like jump like you mean it.
That's where I want it.
You could also probably step on one of those.
I was wondering that.
And then like reach and then just like slide over.
Then hoist myself up.
And move the chair out of the way. Yeah, I almost have to jump up and do it, so it might be a little too high. But I don't know. I feel like I'd rather it high than low.
See, this is my bad leg. Ah! I need to get back in the gym. Good grief. I need to get the other one.
Come on, you can do it.
This is a lighter one. Oh, good. This morning for not working out for like over a month. I was able to pull some though.
Yeah. I mean, I can get myself up there, so.
Usually I can do at least 8 with this. And stretch. And stretch. But yeah, that's as far as I can get at the moment. Oh, wait, what about... Oh, I'm gonna slip. Ah! It's almost 11 p.m. and he's working on a project.
And I'm happy.
I'm so proud of you. You're working on it so late. It's making it all pretty outside.
Oh, nice.
Almost 11 p.m. Working on a project.
Now it looks good.
Now it looks good.
And it's even. I don't know if you noticed.
Looks good.
2 lights on that side, 2 lights on that side.
Ah, you're clever. But what if I get us another strand?
You're rigging it back up.
Here we go again. Oh! I'm not planning that. But I need to be doing this at least once a week. At least once a week. I have to get my stepping stool. Stepping stool.
All that wood as it comes back. There ain't nobody gonna do that tree and assume the reliability.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's